Swapping out your lawnmower replacement blade is as easy as changing your underwear. So don't worry, we'll show you how. To change your blade, not your underwear. Grab your device and make sure it's powered off and unplugged. The replacement blade works with the Lawnmower 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0 models. Step 1. Press the top of the blade with your thumb and push forward to snap out the blade module. Step 2. Put your new replacement blade into the trimmer, blade side up. Step 3. Press the blade back until it snaps in place. Now your lawnmower is ready to go. For optimal performance and hygienic operation, your blade should be replaced every 3 months. You definitely deserve a new blade to keep things fresh, and while you're at it, don't forget to change your undies.
Remington, getting the world ready. Remington's Lithium Power Series head-to-toe grooming kit puts all your grooming needs together into a single package. Our stainless steel blades are self-sharpening, providing the perfect trim with an impressive lifespan. Remington's Lithium Power Series head-to-toe grooming kit is just that, head-to-toe. It includes a full-size trimmer, a body hair trimmer, which is a vertical trimmer comb that features 3 adjustable lengths and provides the versatility for just the right look, a foil shaver, a nose, ear, and detail trimmer, 3 individual beard and stubble combs, and an adjustable clipping guard. Even better, every attachment cleans up right under running water in your sink. The Remington head-to-toe grooming kit utilizes Remington's unique lithium power system. It boasts a 60-minute runtime per charge and an overall lifespan that is up to 3 times longer than a standard rechargeable battery. And the included charging stand keeps all your accessories right in one place. The Remington Lithium Power Series head-to-toe grooming kit, the most complete grooming system.
You can't forget your back. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver has you covered, allowing you to reach the most difficult to reach parts of your back while giving you the close, smooth shave you want. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver comes with 2 shaving heads, an ultra-wide blade design for longer, coarser hair, and a bonus Ultimate Pro Foil head for an ultra-smooth shave and maintaining your look. Both attachment heads feature a shock-absorbing, multifunctional flex neck and head that effortlessly follows the contours of your back for complete range of motion and the closest shave imaginable. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver includes a fully extendable and adjustable extreme reach handle, which locks into place at any range using the new Pro XL extension lock button to reach those difficult areas of your back, including the middle and lower portions of your back. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver's unique patented design includes a 135-degree opening for the ultimate shave, but can also lock to the preferred angle by using the patent-pending Power Hinge Easy Push Lock button, enabling you to reach all areas of your back with ease. It also conveniently folds and locks for easy storage and travel. We've also included our trademark MANGROOMER Power Burst button, giving you the ability to shave through extra thick and coarse back hair with the push of a button. The ergonomic design features a soft, rubberized grip, allowing for maximum control and comfort. We've also included the added convenience of a quick charge battery that allows for easy and fast recharging. Keeping your body and your back neat, clean, and well-groomed says you've got it all together.
My beard's a free spirit. It does its own thing.
My beard is a maturing, manly warrior. It's not totally full, it's on its way there.
I like to keep my beard trim, organized, and precise.
I like that there's no pulling and tugging. It's easy to use. Easy to use is the most important thing.
When my beard is looking fresh, on point, that's honestly when I feel the most authentic.